My name is Daniel Ozotha. I'm a resident here in the United States. Also doing my part-time work with one of those companies here in the United States. So I'm looking for something way more better to get my career to the next level. So actually, what actually brought me to K21 Academy, I was discussing with a friend that actually told me that, okay, there's no point in you going to school. I have a better offer for you that will make you get your career to the next level when it comes to the field of IT. I'm like, okay, bring it up. So he told me and he referred me and he told me about K21 Academy. I'm like, okay. And it made me understand that they have the tools and the resources that I need when it comes to career, especially in the field of IT. To my greatest surprise, he sent me the link and I went to the site and I saw a whole lot of testimonies of how students from Nigeria and every people from all walks of life, how K21 Academy has actually transformed their life, even without having the knowledge, having the background of IT. And without looking more further, I signed up. And from the very first I signed up, I looked at all the course outline, which I call my scheme of work. I realized that they actually tailored and they had a scope of what I was actually looking for as a student. And from the very first day I signed up to K21 Academy from the class, I realized that they had a coach, they have 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, they have team, and they have advisor that can actually ask you, what exactly are you doing? So we can help you so that you can get exactly what you're looking for when it comes to career paths. I realized that myself and I said, oh, so there's no point to me looking further. And it was, for me, it was a good part being a student of K21 Academy. So far, so good. The learning process in Oracle integration and solution architecture has actually broadened my scope, as in widening my scope of learning. So the reason I choose both class was for me to have more and a brighter knowledge of the field of IT. So both class has really helped me. So far, so good. And each time I join the class, I see a whole lot of new things, because as for me, I'm somebody that I'm a fast learner, I'm a visual learner, and anything I put my hands on, it comes to lab, doing practical consistently, I always have excellent results. So both classes have really helped me. Despite the fact what I'm doing at the moment does not define what I'm doing, so I want to quickly be in my feet so that I can have more to be an 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 and good when it comes. I want to have all certificates when it comes to K21 Academy. As I'm concerned, I want to have every certificate in there. But so far, so good. The class has been fantastic. It's a simple word. Look no further. K21 Academy have every resources that you need or you have to excel, to transform you to career when it comes to the field IT. They have the team, like I said earlier, they have the team, they have the coach, they have the 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 in the field, in the business, because in the real world, that is what matters. So they're telling you, we are in the field. We are working as a cloud professional. We are working as a cloud 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. We are working as a cloud team. So there's nothing you're looking for in the field, in the business world. In fact, I say K21 is supposed to be K21 is supposed to call Business K21 Academy, because they know what it takes when it comes to the field of IT, when it comes to the job. So they have all resources. So for me, look no further. They have the tools and the resources. So my advice for anybody that is want to go into school to go and spend most time of money there, no, come to K21 Academy. Look no further. Have what it takes. Push you to take you to the next level when it comes to IT career field.